Sa wakas, natapos din ang project ni Cutie Pie. Of course, ang galing-galing ng points at saka grades nito. Ako yung gumawa. O, ayan, kompleto na. Ready na for Halloween. Cool. Stephanie's classmates are busy setting up their classroom for Halloween party.
Bong! Tama dyan!
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is AGV, and to those who haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and click the notification bell so you will be updated to all the videos that we are going to share. Actually, Halloween is fast approaching, and Stephanie had an assignment or project to make a Halloween decoration. And of course, I let her, tried her best, but she's having a hard time. And of course, to the rescue ang mama. So this time, I asked her to gather all the boxes, cartoons that we have. And luckily, we just changed our our shower. So we got a big and perfect box to use to make a coffin. So I'm here. I'm the one who's making it, and she's helping me, assisting and holding everything so we can put it all together. Of course, cutting boards and everything is not really that hard, especially outside the sun is shining, but it's too cold. So here I am doing my best, showing my artistic side, of course, and showing Stephanie on how to make the coffin really realistic or looks realistic. And it's just easy, guys. I'm shaping and cutting and setting it up together, putting it together with silver tape. And later, once we are done, I'm going to paint it. So now at this moment, I am doing the base, and later on we will also do the cover, and we will really make it big. And now there it is. After 2.5 hours, I think, or 2 hours, yes, it's already done. And here I am, and we're looking for a paint to use. Of course, I will paint the coffin white, but not all white. We will make the coffin looks like very old, and we only have an oil base.
Three hours later.
Sa wakas, natapos din ang project ni Cutie Pie. Of course, ang galing-galing ng points at saka grades nito. Ang galing ng gumawa eh. Ang galing. Ayan, project ni Cutie. Ako yung gumawa. O, ayan, kompleto na. Ready na for Halloween. School, Stephanie's classmates are busy setting up their classroom for Halloween party. Ang patay kasi dapat nakahiga yan. Ipinaupo nila. Ayan, gustong mahiga. Tawanan din naman sila. I find it funny. And I hope they will enjoy that silhouette of human body. So, they're still fixing it. And I hope they will enjoy